Let's create and pack an order. So, our fabulous client just ordered 4 pieces of personalized mag snaps, aka fridge magnets, and sent the photo via Facebook Messenger. First things first, we'll slice and dice that photo. Then it's off to the magical machine. We've got a metal frame, the photo, the cover, and on the flip side, the back frame. Next, we're adding adhesive for that extra magnet magic. Now, let's attach those mag snaps to the card holder and pop them into their plastic casings. Even if it's just one order, I like to treat each piece like royalty and pack them up individually. After that, I whip up a thank you card with the client's name for that special touch. Thank you.